Food scientists work to make sure the food people eat is safe, nutritious, and tasty. They study how food behaves under different conditions, such as when it is cooked, frozen, or stored. Their job includes developing new food products, improving existing recipes, and making sure food meets health and safety standards. Food scientists often work in laboratories or food factories and may also test ingredients or check labels for accurate information. A new food scientist might earn around £20,000 to £25,000 a year. With more experience, this can rise to £30,000 or more. Senior food scientists, or those working in management roles, can earn over £45,000 a year. People working for big companies or in specialist areas may earn even more. A university degree in food science, food technology, or a related subject such as chemistry or biology is usually required to become a food scientist. Some employers may also accept degrees in nutrition or agricultural science. Having GCSEs and A-levels, including science subjects, is important to get onto a university course. Some people also choose to do a postgraduate qualification or gain work experience through placements or apprenticeships.